To finish the illustration, you're going to drag the artwork you grouped on each artboard into the main illustration on the left. So select the selection tool. With the path still selected, choose Edit, Copy, and then Edit, Paste to paste the copy. With the copy selected, we're going to outline the stroke. So choose Object, Path, Outline Stroke. That way you can more easily size it and scale it, and it won't do some weird things. Shift drag a corner of the path to make it smaller, sort of like you see here, about that size. Look over here for this guidance. And then drag it into position down here. I'll make it a little bit bigger. There we go. With the smaller copy still selected, let's copy and paste it. So Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. And then drag it into position over here. And what we're going to do is just flip it. So come over here to the Properties panel and click on Flip Along Horizontal Axis. And then drag the shape into position if you need to. I think it looks pretty good right about there. If you need to make it a little bit bigger, you can do that by pressing the Shift key. There we go. Drag across the three flame shapes and group them together by clicking Group or choosing Object Group. Now, choose View Zoom Out several times. And what's going to happen is you're actually going to see this stuff off the right edge of the artboard over here. Drag the group of flames onto the fire artwork over here. So we'll put it right about there. That looks pretty good. Then drag across all of those shapes and group them together. Now, to see everything, choose View, Fit All in Window. And what I want you to do is we're going to turn off the Smart Guides. That way it won't try and snap to everything. So go to View and turn off Smart Guides. Now what you can do is you can go drag each one of these groups out here and place them somewhere in the art. So I'll put that there. I'll put the car over here, trailer over here, and just whatever you decide you want to do, put the stuff where you want it to go. I think that'll look pretty good. I'll put a bush here. Maybe the fire out in the middle, for instance. Like right here is our campfire, a little closer, a little bigger. There we go. All right. And once you're done, you can always go in and press the Shift key and make things bigger or smaller by dragging these to make them sized. And just as a last couple steps here, we want to turn on the Smart Guides for the next lesson. So choose View, Smart Guides. Now, if you reset the preferences at the beginning of each lesson, you should not have to do this because this is the kind of stuff that it's going to reset or turn back on. But we'll do it just in case. Save your file, and then you can close it. And if you have a couple files open, you can close them all.